Now let us discuss homogeneous differential equations. A differential equation of the form dy by dx equals f of xy, a function in which the dependent variable is y and the independent variable is x, is said to be homogeneous if fxy is a homogeneous function of degree 0. A function given as dy by dx is equal to f of xy. The variables involved are x and y, where x is the independent variable and y the dependent variable. That is why we have taken dy by dx. Otherwise it would be dx by dy. Is said to be homogeneous if that function is a homogeneous function of degree 0. If we consider the terms of that equation, every term will be of degree 0. Now we shall discuss a question. In your NCERT text, exercise 9.5, question number 3, show that x minus y dy minus x plus y dx equals 0 is a homogeneous differential equation and solve it. We have x minus y dy minus x plus y dx equals 0. That is the equation given. We have to show it that it is of degree 0 and thereby homogeneous. Dy by dx from the given equation, if we take dy by dx, it will be x plus y by x minus y. Just cross multiply, you will get x plus y into dx, x plus y into dx equal to x minus y into dy. That's correct. Then dividing the numerator and denominator by x. We are dividing the numerator and denominator by x. Now dy by dx will be equal to x by x 1 plus y by x 1 minus y by x. And the right side can be expressed as g of y by x, a function of y by x. Here the degree is 0. Y raised to 1 by x raised to 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Here degree of the function is 0, it is homogeneous. First part is over. Then we shall take a substitution. Put y, v is equal to y by x, that is y is equal to vx. Now differentiating, we get first function into derivative, second function into derivative, the first, that is v plus x dv by dx. This dy by dx will be v plus x dv by dx. How is it? First function into derivative, second it is 1, that is v into 1, plus second function into derivative the first, that is x into dv by dx. And we are going to replace dy by dx by v plus x dv by dx. Equation 1 becomes, this dy by dx becomes v plus x dv by dx, this is dy by dx, equals 1 plus v by 1 minus v. 1 plus, this part is v, 1 minus v. Now we shall shift this v to the right side. Therefore, and the portion on the right is placed on the left. 1 plus v by 1 minus v is equal to x dv by dx. The same, we have shifted v to the other side and change the right side to the left and left to the right. Now simplifying, 1 plus v by 1 minus v is 1 plus v minus v into 1 minus v divided by 1 minus v dv is equal to x by dx. On opening, 1 plus v minus v, plus v and minus v cancels, minus v into minus v, that is plus v square, that is 1 plus v square by 1 minus v dv, that is x by dx. Now we shall take the reciprocal, that is 1 minus v by 1 plus v square dv will be equal to dx by x. Now we shall integrate both sides. Integral 1 minus v by 1 plus v square dv is equal to integral dx by x. Now we can split this integral into two. How? Integral 1 by 1 plus v square minus integral v by 1 plus v square. Yes. Integral 1 by 1 plus v square dv minus integral v by 1 plus v square dv. It is equal to the right side, that is integral dx by x. Now we know integral 1 by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x. Here it is 1 by 1 plus v square dv, therefore it will be equal to tan inverse v minus derivative of the denominator is 2v, but we have only v. Therefore, on integration we will get half log 1 plus v square. If it were 2v dv, the result would be log modulus 1 plus v square. Here it is v, therefore half log 1 plus v square. Tan inverse v minus half log modulus 1 plus v square is equal to, here it is integral dx by x, that is log modulus x plus c. Now v can be replaced by tan inverse. Tan inverse v can be written as tan inverse y by x is equal to half log, this v is replaced by y by x, 1 plus y by x all square plus log modulus x plus c. Now log modulus x can be written as half log 1 plus y by x square plus log x, log a plus log b is equal to log ab. Here half log x square, half log x square is equal to 2 into half log x, that is the same. Therefore we can write half log modulus 1 plus y by x all square plus log x as half log x square plus y square by x square into x square. Log a plus log b is equal to log ab. As there is a half here, we have to write x square instead of x. Now on simplification, that is half log, a square and a square got cancelled, half log modulus x square plus y square plus c. Final answer is tan inverse y by x is equal to half log modulus x square plus y square plus c. And the solution of homogeneous equations, it is somewhat lengthy. Right.